Assalamualaikum. In this video, we learn how to download and install Anaconda Python on Windows 10 machine. Let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Open your favorite browser. I'm using Chrome. You can open. You have installed Firefox or anyone, and type Anaconda Python and click on Enter. Now from here, click on individual edition, like the first link you get. Now here, click on Get Started. Install Anaconda Individual Edition. Now from here, click on this download. This is the free version. So from here, you need to download the 64-bit or in 32-bit according to your internet system specification. How can you check system specifications? Go to C, and from here, just right click and go to properties. So from here, you can check system type 64-bit or 32-bit. If you have 32-bit, download 32-bit. I have 64, so I will download 64-bit. So my downloading starts. So let's take some time according to internet speed. So I already download. To save our time, open your downloads folder. Once this download is complete, and run the setup. Click on next. I agree. All users. Okay. Now click on next. Click on yes. And the path, yes, I want to install on the same path. It will take at least 2.7 GB in your drive, so you must have this space. Now Anaconda 3 system register Anaconda the path. Okay, add Anaconda 3 to the system. Yes, click on next. Now it will take some time. I'm pausing video here till it's complete. So the downloading process is complete. Now click on next. It will take some time. Make sure to keep in mind it will take time. So click on next. Now I don't need any tutorial. Click on finish. Now how we can open this? From here, type if you want to open Anaconda navigator. So it will open the navigator UI for us. It will take some time at the first time when initializing. So Anaconda navigator is open. So yes, I like to help improve. Okay, now we have JupyterLab here and Jupyter Notebook and Spyder. The most used Jupyter Notebook and Spyder. So first we launch Spyder. It's in processing. Yeah. Now here is showing prompt for installing Kit. It's up to you. If you need, then install Kit. Otherwise, dismiss. So our first forward. Now we will just run this. So you can see we have tested our Spyder on it. So in next videos we will see how to create project and run properly in Spyder. Let's test Jupyter Notebook. So you can see Jupyter Notebook is open. Now we just create our test project here. So you can see our Jupyter book is running and we have installed Anaconda successfully. Good luck.